So, hi dear Capricorn, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal, a reading for all the Capis, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from from 9th of September till the 15th of September, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Cappies, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. We have the Six of Pentacles. So this is somebody who is like from inside, they're kind of sad or depressed about things, the way they're going on the on inside of them, it's kind of making them upset. But from a human level, this person is feeling like there should be equal give and take of energy in the situation. There should be balance in the situation. Okay, let me clarify the Six of Pentacles here. We have the Ace of Wands, the Queen of Wands, the Temperance. Yeah. This is someone who is feeling like waiting for some kind of brand new beginning in this direction. This person is very attracted to you, very attracted to your personality, very attracted to the idea of being with you. And they're being very patient with the situation. They feel like with patience, with time, everything is going to be fine. You guys will be having equal give and take of energy. You guys will be participating in the situation with very beautiful vibes, very beautiful kind of energies, and everything is going to be fine. So this person is quite sure that everything is going to be fine with time. Even if it is not right now, there is going to be a brand new chapter in the situation, a brand new beginning in the situation, and you guys will be able to come together in a very positive way. So this is what they feel about the situation. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Judgment card. So from your side, you feel like letting go and letting God. You are in this surrender mode right now. You are in this forgiving mode right now, forgiving and forgetting and moving ahead. You are in pain. I don't know what's like who broke your heart or what broke your heart. You are in pain right now, and you are trying your best to let go and let God and surrender. Let's clarify the judgment as their feelings, as your feelings for them, for the situation. We have the Sun card, the Ace of Pentacles, the Six of Swords. You feel like heading towards something new or someone new and moving on. I think Capricorn, you're no longer interested in the past person, past energy who broke your heart. You are straight away heading towards new person, new energy, and a brand new beginning with a new person, new situation. For some of you, it could be a brand new beginning in your career, in your business, in your job area, and you're heading towards that. For others of you, you are letting go and letting God and surrendering to the divine and heading towards a new person, new energy, and letting go of a very painful cycle. It's like closing a painful chapter of your life and moving towards a brand new chapter with a lot of with a lot of forgiveness, with a lot of this energy of yes, everything is going to be fine. I'm on the right track. I have to just surrender to the divine. Even if you don't believe in divine or universe or anything, you are just in this energy of surrender and heading towards something new, someone new that's bringing you the happiness and the purity and the joy that you were looking forward to have. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Cappies, let's see what's happening. High Priestess, their intention is to keep their mouth shut, keep their energies down, keep it low key. Okay, for some reason they feel like they should not be vulnerable in they should not be very vulnerable in front of you, or they should not say or do something about the situation as of now. They should think about it properly before doing it or saying something about it. Let me clarify the High Priestess. We have the King of Swords, the Two of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. Yeah, they want to come towards you with clear cut energies, no confusion, no on and off, no in and out, no hot and cold. They want to come towards you with a clear energy, clear cut understanding that this is what they feel for the situation, this is what they want from the situation, and this is what they have to offer you. So they want to come towards you only when they are going to be 100% sure that they should come forward and offer you something stable, something loving, something caring, something nurturing, not stable as of now. Yeah, so they should they feel like they should keep their mouth shut. They should just keep on working on themselves, put in the effort and energy on their individual growth, on their individual success in whatever way possible. And they feel like coming towards you only when the path is going to be clear, when everything is going to be crystal clear, first of all within themselves and then with you. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Capricorn? What are your energies from this, from your side? Nine of Wands. So from your side, you just want to keep your guards up, keep your guards high. You just don't want to, get hurt again or get in this energy of getting used again and again. Okay, let me clarify the Nine of Wands. We have the Three of Swords, the Nine of Swords, the Eight of Wands. Okay. Right now, you don't. Right now, you just want to heal yourself from the heartbreak, from the pain that you're encountering, the sleepless nights that you're going through because of this particular person or situation. You want to talk to this person about whatever they did with you, but at the same time, you just don't want to open up to them emotionally. It's like you don't want to tell them how much you are in pain and how much they hurt you and how much this situation is kind of hurting you. It's like you just want to keep your mouth shut, keep your energies down, and you just want to heal yourself properly, and you just want to talk to this person about whatever is happening, but at the same time you don't want to connect with them emotionally, like you don't want to be in a relationship with them anymore. You're like, okay, I want to talk to you, I want to tell you how much you hurt me and how much this situation is hurting me, but I don't want you back in my life, but I want to talk to you about this properly and honestly. At least one clear cut communication, proper closure might be. Let's see what's coming towards it till the 15th of September. What could be the possible outcome of the situation between you and this particular person till the 15th of September? What could happen? We have the death, okay, and rebirth. It's like I do see an ending of a chapter, an ending of a cycle in in the situation. Okay, and let me clarify. Although it seems like an ending, I don't see this as a proper ending. It's like a final ending of a chapter. Okay, let me clarify this. We have the Emperor, the King of Cups, and the Eight of Swords. Capricorn, I think you are letting your guards down and you're going towards this person with some kind of communication message or some kind of emotional communication or something like that. But it's going to stress the hell out of this situation. I don't think this situation is going to come on track. I think this situation is going to become more complicated because one of you is not giving up on the situation completely. One of you is not letting go either of the connection or of the relationship, or one of you is not able to let go of the pain that this situation give them, and they're holding on to that pain, and they're not letting it go, and they're not even sticking around. So it's creating a lot of chaos, lot of this mental stress for both of you. It's like too stressful to deal with that both of you are going to be like, oh my god, we don't need it. But at the same time, I do see one of you sticking to this situation even if it is painful, and the other energy is going to feel it, like, oh my god, someone is not letting go of the situation. They're trying their best to hold on to the situation even if it is not working out, even if they should not. And the other energy is also feeling like trapped in the situation. So it's a trapped situation where both of you are trying to let it go, live your individual lives, but it's not happening. It's creating more chaos and more complications and more of this mental stress for both of you rather than getting any kind of solution in the situation. I'm sorry to say that this is what I'm getting here. Yeah, sleepless nights, stressful energies, not being able to understand what you should do and what you should not do. Let's see the guidance for you guys here. We have the Lovers, the Queen of Swords, and the Eight of Cups. Be very, very sure, Capricorn. Be very sure whether you want it or not. Stick to that decision, and then move towards that decision, even if it is of leaving the situation behind completely or living with the situation completely. Whatever your decision is, please be very very clear in your heart and soul and your mind, and then make your decision. Take your time, don't make your decision in 1 day or 2 days or 3 days. Take your time, take your time, and let the other person know here. Don't make them suffer like shit, okay? Tell them you need time, tell them you need space to make your final choice, make a final decision. And if the other energy is not involved right now at this present moment in the situation, it's you versus you only, then also take your time, understand the situation, understand your feelings, understand what you want out of this particular person or situation, understand whether they will be ever able to give it to you in this lifetime, or it's just an illusion that you're living in. And then leave or live in the situation accordingly. It's very very important for you guys to know the truth about the situation. You already know it, but accept the situation for what it is, accept the truth of the situation, of this connection or of this relationship for what it is, and then move towards the reality, towards the next chapter of your life, with this understanding, with with this reality, with this knowing that this is what it is. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.